Hello student, today I am going to teach you West Bengal Board of Secondary Education Class 10 Physical Science Metallurgy chapter. And first of all, let us discuss about the uses of iron, copper, zinc and aluminium and their alloy. Most of the metals which are important for the progress of civilization is obtained from the earth crust. They are very important, and let us discuss about this one by one. First of all, let us discuss about the aluminum metals. Aluminum metals is used to prepare shades, that is roofing. It is also used to prepare bodies of aeroplanes and automobiles. It is used for making cooking utensils, electrical wires, and it is used to extract chromium and magnesium metal by thermite process, which we'll discuss about it later. In laboratory, it is used as reducing agent, and in cross condition, aluminum is used as a paint. As the weight of aluminum is light, it has a light weight and it is a good conductor of electricity and a good conductor of heat. Sometimes it is mixed with other metals to form a special mixture, and this mixture of two or more metals are called alloys. Some alloys of aluminum are duralumin, which is composed of aluminum, copper, magnesium and manganese. Another alloy of aluminum is magnesium, which is composed of aluminum and magnesium. Now let us discuss about the uses of copper. Copper is used to prepare electrical wire. It is also used to make electrical switches, plug, etc. It is also used for making cooking utensils, and in some country it is also used to prepare coins. Some of the alloys of copper are brass. Brass is composed of copper 70% and zinc 30%. Another alloy of copper is bronze, which is composed of copper 92% and tin 8%. Another alloy of copper is aluminum bronze, which is composed of copper 90% and aluminum 10%. Another alloy of copper is German silver, which is composed of copper 50%, zinc 30%, nickel 20%. Another alloy of copper is bell metal, which is composed of copper 80%, tin 20%. Another alloy of copper is constantine, which is composed of copper 60% and nickel 40%. Now let us discuss about the uses of zinc. Zinc is used for the extraction of gold and silver by a cyanide process. It is used as electrode in battery and electrochemical cells. It is also used for galvanization. It is used to prepare white paints and to prepare several alloys. Zinc powder is used as reducing agent in the laboratory. Important alloy of zinc are brass, which is composed of copper and zinc. Another alloy of zinc is German silver or Dutch metal, which is composed of copper 80% and zinc 20%. Now let us discuss about the uses of iron. Iron is mostly used in modern civilization. It is used to make railway lines, tanks, bridges. Iron is used everywhere. It is widely used to build a large-scale infrastructural facility. It is also used to prepare alloy. Most important alloy of iron are stainless steel, which contain 15 to 20% chromium and 7 to 10% nickel and 0.05% to 1.5% carbon. Another alloy of iron are cobalt steel, which contain 35% cobalt. Another alloy of iron is invar, which contain 36% nickel and 0.3% carbon. Another alloy of iron are manganese steel, which contain 10 to 14% manganese and 0.3% carbon. Now let us discuss about the ores and minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substance which is solid, inorganic and can be represented by a formula. A mineral is resulted not from the living organism, it is the natural material. Some minerals may contain significantly higher percentage of metal and some contain very low amount of metal. And ore is a type of mineral from which metals can be extracted conveniently and profitably. So we can say that all the ores are mineral, but all mineral are not ore. We will discuss about it later. So now let us discuss about the ore of some common metals. First of all, ore of zinc. Ore of zinc is zinc blende, which formula is ZnS. Another ore of zinc is calamine, whose formula is ZnCO3. Another ore of zinc is zincsite, whose formula is ZnO. Another ore of zinc is electric calamine, whose formula is Zn2SiO4H2O. Now, ore of aluminium is bauxite, whose formula is Al2O3 2H2O. Another ore of aluminium is gypsite, whose formula is Al2O3 3H2O. Another ore of aluminium is cryolite, whose formula is AlF3 3NaF. Another ore of aluminium is spinel, whose formula is MgO Al2O3. Some of the ore of copper are copper pyrite or chalcopyrite, whose formula is Cu2S Fe2S3. Another ore of copper is copper glans or chalcocite, whose formula is Cu2S. Another ore of copper is azurite, whose formula is 2CuCO3 CuOS2. Another ore of copper is malachite, whose formula is CuCO3 CuOS2. Some of the ore of iron are hematite, whose formula is Fe2O3. Another ore of iron is magnetite, whose formula is Fe3O4. Another ore of iron is siderite, whose formula is FeCO3. And another ore of iron is iron pyrite, whose formula is Fes. Now we will discuss about some of the question from this topic. If we are asked what are minerals and ore, we have to say that minerals are compounds or materials which is found in nature, and minerals are formed by process prevalent in nature, and ore is a naturally occurring materials from which metals can be extracted profitably. In this way, minerals and ores can be defined. And if we are asked to answer the difference between minerals and ores, we can say that minerals may or may not be a ore. Mineral from which a metal can be conveniently and profitably extracted is called ore. Thus, all ore are mineral, but all mineral are not ore. Let us explain this with an example. For example, aluminium has many minerals, that is kaolin, bauxite, cryolite, etc. But it is extracted only from bauxite. So, bauxite is an ore of aluminium but not kaolin. Now, let us again repeat the uses of aluminium. Aluminium is widely used in engineering and household purpose. It is used in making aircrafts, bodies and motor cars. On account of its good electrical conductivity, it is used in transmission wire. Due to its great reducing property, aluminium is used in thermite, in welding, rails and machine parts. Aluminium powder is used in fireworks and is anti-corrosive paint for iron grills and poles. It is used as reducing agent and as a colorizing substance. Aluminium is extensively used in the preparation of alloys like magnesium, duralumin, etc. Let us discuss about the uses of zinc. Zinc is widely used to protect iron from rusting by the process of galvanization. It is used for the preparation of zinc white or white pigment, and a number of useful alloys like brass, bronze, German silver can be prepared with the help of zinc. It is also used as reducing agent in the extraction of silver and gold. An electric cell and dry cell can be manufactured with the help of zinc. Now let us discuss about the uses of iron. Iron is used to manufacture cast iron, wrought iron and steel. Steel is used in making armor plates for battleships and tanks, in the manufacture of railways, etc. Let us discuss about alloy. Alloy are homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture of solid solution of two or more metals in different proportion having properties intermediate between the constituent elements. Alloys are made by melting the metals in proper ratio and then alloying the molten mass to solidify. Carbon and silicon may also be one of the constituent of an alloy. In an alloy, the property of the constituent element alter to a great extent. Alloy have greater hardness, tensile strength and resistance to atmospheric corrosion, capability of casting but lower thermal and electrical conductivity, lower melting points than the individual constituent metals. Now let us discuss about the amalgam. Amalgams are those alloys whose one of the component is mercury. Difference between alloy and amalgam. Alloys are mixture of two or more different metals There is no specific selection for a definite metal, but amalgam is a solution of metal in mercury. So mercury is a selective metal in amalgam. Mercury is necessary for forming amalgam, but for other alloy, mercury is not necessary. So there is a difference between alloy and amalgam. Now let us study about important alloy. Duralumin, it is an alloy of aluminium 95%, copper 4%, magnesium 0.5%, manganese 0.5%. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, copper 70%, zinc 30%. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin, copper 92%, tin 8%. Stainless steel is an alloy of chromium, nickel and carbon. Here chromium is 15 to 20%, nickel is 7 to 10%, and carbon is 0.05 to 1.5%. Bell metal is an alloy of copper and tin. Copper is 80% and tin is 20%. German silver is an alloy of copper, zinc and nickel. Copper 50%, zinc 30%, nickel 20%. This much for today. I will discuss some of the topic of this chapter in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and keep learning. Thank you.